This time, Music Stars, you can go to one of our 6 libraries and you can check out a drum pad, a keyboard, and acoustic guitar. This is an extension of our tool lending libraries. We have these instruments and the classes at 6 of our libraries. We have it at Compton, Lancaster, Malibu, Norwalk, Rosemead, and right here in San Fernando. We offer music classes at all 6 of those locations. Those classes are really geared towards that middle school child ages 11 to 13.
My mom, she signed me up. I didn't know, but when she told me, I was so happy because I love drumming.
Ready, go. C, D, E.
Chose keyboard as my first option as we have an old piano at home I'd like to really get to use.
I really like this class. Even though I'm a drummer and I know how to do the drums, this is a new experience for me because it's a new type of drum.
I never learned guitar before, and it's really fun and interesting to learn.
The other amazing thing about this program is that it's completely free, no risk.
Twice as fast the second half, right?
Thank you for having this program. This is a big opportunity for me because I usually am never able to use my drum during summer break because either I forget or I just too tired, I don't want to. But like having a class to do it, that's much better.
There's a lot of benefits for young people to participate in these kinds of hands-on programs that the library offers. So this is really just an extension of what we've always done.
Excellent, guys, you're wonderful.
I really like the instructor at this program. He's there for all of us and he gives good instructions.
As far as accomplishing things with the students, it's really to get their feet wet, for them to see if it's kind of comfortable for them to play the instrument, if they like it, if it interests them. Maybe this is a springboard for them to get more serious with the instrument or pursue the instrument more thoroughly.
At first, it's a bit hard, but then after you get the notes, it's better, then it's a bit easier.
Musicians out there, LA County can rock out.
Learn more about Music Stars at lacountylibrary.org/musicstars.